Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Gaussian Channel Indicator for MT4 and MT5. Although in this particular video, I'm going to be focusing on the MT4 version. As you can see, the indicator is for sale on the MQL5 marketplace. All right, if you want the MT5 version, you just have to follow this link, and then it's going to take you to the MT5 version. Meanwhile, this indicator is an indicator that uses the Ehlers-Gaussian filter methods to define trends. Okay, we're just going to be going through how the indicator works very briefly, and then if you are willing to make the financial commitment, you can see that the indicator is going for 94 US dollars. But it is going for rent at $30 US per month. Now, the indicator gives you buy and sell signals, right? And then you can see that it has a channel that serves as dynamic support and resistance zones, as you can see, right? You can see that the channel serves as a dynamic support zone, and then the color change also lets you know what momentum is prevailing at the moment. When the color is green, it shows you that bullish momentum is prevailing, and when it is purple, it shows you that bearish momentum is prevailing. You can see at the time temporary bearish momentum and then the bullish momentum, right? And then when you notice those circles appear, you can see this circle that appears here now, giving you a precise entry point. Okay, let's just quickly go through some of the the characteristics here. Well, we know that it provides an overview of the trend, right? And then of course it's customizable. You can see some of the customizable settings there. The channel price source, the pulse, length, true range multiplier, activate lag reduction, fast response, and all of that. You can modify the settings according to your taste. Okay, so you need to ensure that the indicator meets your expectations before making any financial commitment. I'm going to recommend that you try out a free demo first if you are interested in this indicator before you consider making any financial commitment. When you click on the free demo, you're going to see two options. If you have the MetaTrader 4 installed already, you just have to click on Open MetaTrader 4, and it's going to take you to where you can try out the free demo. Okay, so if the expectations, if your expectations are met, then maybe you can consider buying the indicator if you are really interested in it. Okay, because there are so many free indicators that you can try out. Or on this channel, we have covered quite a lot of indicators. You might want to check out some of them. I believe that you're going to find something really valuable for your trading strategy. Okay, so in the meantime, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, maybe you want to consider doing that now. Okay, and do not forget to turn on your notifications so that you will be among the first to get updated when we drop a new video. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.